Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. New year and already lots of new music. To start, Popcaan released his inspirational track Relevant on New Year's Day. In an Instagram post, he motivated his fans saying, "Focus on what the goal is no matter what the distractions are." #Faith. The song is laced with the phrase "failing in a mighty," but also sees many music critics labeling it by unruly entertainment and drop-top records. Now, Usain Bolt is back in the studio as the track star and his manager NJ opened 2021 with another inspirational song, Living the Dream, with a powerful line, "Just a kid from the country."
It will never drop. You keep rising to the top. Just a kid from the country, living the dream. Just a kid from the country, pushing the wheels. Just a kid, pushing the wheels. Just a kid from the country, living the dream.
Many were expecting to hear the Sprint legend, but you'll have to wait. However, the track has gotten some heat from the unruly boss himself, Popcaan, whose comment on Usain Bolt's page went viral when he asked the legend to start focusing on artists with actual talent. Usain Bolt is yet to comment on Popcaan's post. Living the Dream is from NJ's upcoming EP. Now, what is new music without somewhere to enjoy it? Fame Frequency did just that on Saturday night. The first event of the new year trended at #1 as usual, as thousands turned on to cheer in the new year. The event, hosted by Debbie Bissoon, took us all outdoors to a high-energy cooler party and featured DJ Xavier from Hits 92 FM and from Fame 95 FM DJs Kevin and Wizkid.
White line, we run road. All patrol can tell you say we run road. But the same up so this year him no cross. That's Alliance bar scheme and see fast. Ayaka, everybody better start. Ayaka, stop. Yo, DJ, tambourine. Everybody better start tambourine. Stop. Give it to them. Hey, go. We're skipping. It's a run. Na.
Fans were delighted to see the made-for-TV event continuing into 2021. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.